Yeah. From daughter to vine, from scars to shine. Indianapolis Auto Spa. This one's called Reflection. Reflections in the midnight glow. Swirls erase the true pain shows. And faded past the mirror shine. Spy brought the color back is mine. Reflections deep, perfection clear. Pain restored, no flaws appear. Second life on the streets tonight. Correction done, my ride feels right. Pain was cloudy, years away. Marks and swirls, nobody cared. The spot came through, hands so steady. Polish and clean, that gloss was ready. Pads in motion, cut through haze. Bringing back depth in 1,000 ways. From a flat old coat to a flawless view. Reflection strong like the day it was new. Reflections in the midnight glow. Swirls erase the true pain shows. From faded past the mirror shine. Spar brought the color back, it's mine. Every past the scars unwind. Layers reveal the perfect find. Gloss so deep it pulls you in. Shadows dance where the light begins. Once forgotten, now reborn. A fresh new code from the past so on. Pride restored, I ride with grace. Reflection shine on a flawless face. Every swirl, every line, wiped away, the stars align. Glass like finish, clear as day. Spy correction, led the way. Reflections in the midnight glow. Swirls erase, the true pain shows. From faded past the mirror shine. Spar brought the color back is mine, yeah. Reflections deep, perfection clear. Paint restored, no flaws appear. Second life on the streets tonight. Correction done, my ride feels right, yeah. From swirl to shine, from fade to flame. Indianapolis Auto Spa, reflection remain, yeah.